So how do I connect Namecheap domain on my Wix website? I'm going to show you in this video. It's going to be very short. I hope you're going to find this helpful. Make sure you subscribe and like the video if you find this helpful. And now what we're going to need to do here is I'm just going to click on here in the search bar, and I'm just going to write domain here. And then here I'm going to click on domain. And this is going to direct us to settings, right? So here you can also go to settings here manually, click on settings, and then here you're going to see domains. Just click on domains, and from here we have your domain. So connect. You can also see the site that you're connecting this domain to. I'm connecting this new domain to this website. I'm going to see this website here. Also, you're going to need to have premium to connect a new domain, so you're not using the domain that's giving your Wix is giving you. So here you can see your website settings, and then here you have .wixsite.com, and then here you have you can add the name of your site and then the site URL, which you can change from here. But now you add a custom domain, and for this you need to have the premium one. So now I'm going to click on domains here, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this domain from here. I'm going to need to remove this here. So here in domains, I can see the domains I have, and I'm going to copy this domain. I would like to connect this domain, make sure it's active. And then I'm just going to click on here. I'm going to click on let's go. And now here, yes, I own this domain. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on continue now. And now this is just analyzing, and we're just going to have to wait a couple of seconds. Detect DNS provider, Namecheap, getting your setup ready. Okay, now here you can try to enter your username and password to connect, but this didn't work for me before. So if it works for you, good, but if it doesn't work, I'll just show you this method. So it's actually doing it manual way, manual setup. So I'm gonna click on manual setup, and here it's gonna find finding your domain. It's gonna take up to 30 seconds. So don't refresh this page. And now, yes, it's from Namecheap. Now let's get started. Okay, I logged in. Now I found my domain, and now I found the name servers. So then here, because I've done this before, we just need to go to manage. That's why I removed that part at the beginning. You just need to enter those right over here, and where you see name servers, you just need to enter the name servers. And now the other one, you need to enter that as well there, right over here. And then once you're doing that, you just need to add them. Make sure you check, you save here. You save, for me it doesn't show me the option, but you just need to click on here. Let's say you click on that. All right, and now here, track domain status is going to take up to 48 hours. It's going to notify you when it's done. They will notify you. Okay, so don't worry, just wait, but you're going to see here your progress, domain check, and yeah, it's just going to work just fine. Now you also here you have if you want, you can click on the three dots here, unassign from this website, remove from Wix, transfer to Wix. You have a couple of options here. You can see all your domains as well. You can click on here and see all your domains. And you can buy a domain, also connect a domain to you already own, transfer your domain to Wix. So yeah, you have a couple of options on this tab. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.